ISTE Standard 4B, we had to design, develop, and implement technology-rich programs that use digital tools and practices and applications for teaching, learning, and assessments. We had to complete the Qualities Matters rubric and do a self-review as well to make sure that our class met the Quality Matters standard. Quality Matters is a quality assurance online digital teaching and learning environment that provides online and blended learning within access of certain organizations. So it's designed to help educators deliver quality learning opportunities for every level of learner. We also had to complete a course worksheet on our professional development course. We had to provide a brief bio about us. I am pursuing a master's degree in instructional technology. I'm currently a teacher at Jefferson Davis High School as a 12th grade science teacher and part-time technology coach. We had to talk about what kind of credit is available for the successful completion of our course. In my case, it would be 4 credit hours of professional development course or CE units. In terms of the syllabus or course outline, had to be set by the instructor, or may the instructor modify it. It may be modified by myself, which I am the instructor. The platform that we were going to use will be Google Classroom, as well as Schoology. Learners would not be required to complete a tutorial. The course format would be fully online. Navigation features that cannot be changed in the course, Google Classroom. And so we had to complete this worksheet to answer questions about our professional development course. We also had to explain how the learning objectives are appropriate for the purpose level of the course. We had to include our modules. And we also had to provide a link for the course. Here are my modules with the assignments, instructional materials, questions, concerns. So there were 4 modules that I created in Google Classroom. I included some frequently asked questions in case teachers have issues or concerns or cannot access. They can merely sign into Google accounts and ask the questions. I have reminders as well. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call. So ISTE 4B was about showing how we were going to measure the objectives within the standard.